We're making a video. Hi, come here, baby. Hi, Makwa. We were in Shishiguani. There's my cousin Kaylee. She just ran here to give me my chips and stuff. What a nice person. Oh my gosh. Aww.
Look at the white one over there.
Those over there. Aww. There's cute dogs over here. This is my dog, Makwa. And these are just really... Aww.
Hey.
They're cute. Hi, guys.
Hey.
Oh my gosh. I'm glad that I left something there that you came, so you came back.
What the heck?
What?
Oh, no.
No.
Stop
What?
it. Stop
What is
it.
Ew. He's too young.
That scared me.
Ew.
Hi, puppy. Hi.
Hello, little puppy.
They're so cute. I want one.
I know. No, puppy, don't do
puppy,
that.
Puppy, get off. Get off. Don't you do that to him. No. And
No.
they're both guys.
Ew.
Get off him. Get off him. Get off him. Stop doing
Ew.
that. Good boy. Good boy.
Good little baby boy.
Hi.
Good little baby boy.
Oh, he's shaking.
Aww.
Here's some help. You want some help? You want some help? Here. Oh, never mind. Just like goes up.
So here's Kaylee.
Hi.
She's back again. We're hanging out. What? What are they doing? Like noodles. She keeps on biting them.
Puppies.
Hi, puppies.
Puppy, come here. Puppy, come here. I'm not gonna hurt you. Puppy, come here. Come here. Come here. Puppy, come here. Come here.
Hi.
I'm not gonna hurt you. Oh, hi, puppy.
Aw, come here, little puppy.
You're so cute.
Come on.